So basically snap it in half, or cut it in half, and now we're going to actually take out about an inch and I don't know, an inch and a quarter, just basically behind the fuller. So take really good heat on it, and now we're going to actually just flatten it out and make it into a screwdriver type arrangement. So we just want to thin down. We don't want to distort way back in through here. So we really want to just take our heat and bring it right to here. Like I was saying before, this is actually the first time back at the forge in months now, literally since last October. Now I'm going to thin down back here because we don't need it that thick for the hoof pick. Try to keep the transitions as smooth as possible. And I also round out the corners just because I think it looks nicer. Now back through here, I'm actually going to make it just a little bit wider. So you can say I still have some thickness here. And so I'm actually going to make it just a little bit wider. The commissures of the hoof are actually tapered. So if we taper this, it'll fit right in there. So right here, I'm going to taper it out just a little bit. So I'm actually using my peen to get a little bit more width. Soften the edges. So this is what we have so far. Now this is actually held backwards, so we're actually holding it like this. So I should say like this, and we're going to scoop this way. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to round this out in a wedge to help with that action, to help with a little bit of digging or cleaning out action. So I'm just going to clean this up just a little bit more, deepen that out, lift that down a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to use a swedge. And since we're holding it this way, we want it to go that way. So we are going this way with it. So now I have a nice little scoop there. Clean this up just a little bit. If you've ever used a scooped hoof pick like this, you'll never use another one. This will clean out dirt, rocks, mud, everything. Pull off the tip some to isolate where I want my bend. Come in here and I'm going to round out in here just a little bit more. So now we're going to switch sides, and I'm going to punch a hole in the handle for hanging it. So there's actually the slug right there that came out. You can see how nice and thin it is. There's our hole. I punched it a little bit off center because I actually want the material to flow the other way. We'll kind of lock it in the hand that way. So if you notice, it's kind of moved off sides a little bit. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Nope, not yet. There we go. That looks great. maker's mark. Another way. Make sure it's in nice and deep. Round that out just a little bit more. I was hoping to get a little more thumb action, but it looks a little bit too wonky, so I'm going to fix it up just a little bit more. Okay. Give it a little straightening. Now, this is the best hoof pick you can ever make and ever use. And so here's a hook, and there you have it.